Hi, my name is Mike with Home Center Design, authorized distributors of Lazy Lawn International, makers of the Mirage Waterless grass. And today we're in Las Vegas, Nevada, featuring Skye Canyon, the largest development so far in Las Vegas, featuring the Mirage Waterless grass, stretches out for miles.
Our Mirage Waterless grass is installed in almost every environment in the world, from the hot, rainy Caribbean to the sunny deserts of the western United States to the cold, snowy Northwest Territory of Canada. What makes our Mirage Waterless Grass Premier MG4000 and MG5000 unique over other artificial grass products is our proprietary design, such as 4-color fiber blade design, face fiber blade made to resemble real Kentucky bluegrass, mirror set thatch root fiber blade design that has been specially heat set to help maintain its spring-like function, the maximum formula in UV stabilizer, low luster fiber blades, super tall fiber blade design over 2 inches. The taller the grass fiber blades, the longer the grass will last. It's important to note, all artificial grass will eventually start to disintegrate in time at the fiber blade tips. The longer the upright base blades, the longer it will take before the grass will wear out. Buyers beware of slick-talking sales and marketing reps or written literature that tells you different. Mirage Waterless Grass, the pioneer and innovator in artificial grass and putting green turf since 1998.